Today, folks, we're gonna be doing the 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second challenge because I'm a glutton for punishment and just want to draw tigers. My name's Tony and I'm a Tokyo-based artist and illustrator and director and all that fun jazz. And today I really wanted to do this challenge again because we did it last time with the sea turtle and I kind of liked it and I kind of want to do it again. So we're doing it again. So the rules are basically, you pick something, you draw it for 10 minutes, you draw it again for 1 minute, you draw it for 10 seconds, and over time, it looks like crap. But before we get started, if you like this, you want to see more stuff like this, hit that notification bell and subscribe because I need all the help I can get. Let's just jump on in it. So today, folks, we'll be using brush pens again because I am obsessed with Kim Jung Gi. He is my hero, and someday I will draw as good as him. Probably not, but anyway. Whew. All right, let's draw some tigers. We got our timer set for 10 minutes and let's just jump into it. Right, and go. I'm just gonna start real broad. Trying to get the basics in there. I want to allow for time to really get in there and get all the details. I don't know, doing challenges like this are really fun because, you know, it's forcing me to do stuff that's out of my norm. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Which is good. Trying to make art fun and not stale is always a challenge. So I think we got ourselves a nice basic shape. All right, let's get in there. Let's get in there. Let's do this. All right, tiger, be cool, bro. Now, one thing I notice is that tigers have this like tear shape. The good thing about using brush pens is they do cover a lot. If you need to cover a lot of space or ground really rapidly, they're really good for that. And odds are I might have to do that when we start running out of time, which we will run out of time eventually. Now, first off, I can tell you right now, these eyes are way too far apart. I think I've already messed up. I fear this video will not make it to see the light of day. Oh my God. This is bad already. You might have to abort the mission. Oops. Now I'm gonna abuse this brush pen. Oh my God. Almost 3 minutes left. Oops. Oh my God, I am running out of time and fast. Ah, 2 minutes left. Gotta bring this thing home. All right. Ah, 1 minute to go. God, I'm way too focused on I'm not speaking at all while drawing this. That is not very entertaining, but let's see if I can, I don't know, we're taking a risk here, people. Oh. Ah! Time's up. Time's up. And of course the timer stops in the middle of the... It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Could have been better. Of course the timer went off camera. But yeah, it is what it is. I mean, it looks like a tiger. You know? Anyway. And a 1, a 2, and a 3, and let's go. Oh no, I'm out of time. No, pen work. Oh no, okay, no. Come on, pen. This looks horrible. Come on, work pen. No! Damn it. That one, not so good. Not so good. Oh boy, look at his eyes. It's like he's, both of these eyes are bad. Oh my God. Do the 10-second one. All right. This is so bad. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! You know what? I kind of like this one the most. I kind of like this one the most. This one's a lot cuter. Oh man. So there you have it, folks. The 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second challenge. This time I drew a tiger, and it doesn't look that good. It's a bad-looking tiger. His eyes are like all like, ugh. But I could have done a lot better job at this. The 10-second one looks bad. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty bad. I apologize for that. But overall, I think my favorite is the 10-second one. This thing's so stupid. Look, he looks pretty derpy. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. But yeah, I like how like their eyes are slowly. He's like slowly kind of going. But oh my God, if I took this eye out, I think it would be a lot better. But who knows? Maybe I just might have to Photoshop that. You know what I'm saying? That was a 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second challenge. Listen, if you like this and you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Also, if you do this challenge yourself, send me a link. I'm kind of curious. Put it put it in the Discord or on the Instagrams or the all the other social stuff we do. Yeah, but this was fun. This was really fun. I'm gonna do more. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. This guy looks drunk. They all look bad. These all look bad. Anyway. Ay, ay, ay.